Hey innovators, welcome to season 6 of Yashogatha by Shades of Innovation. We are kicking off with someone whose words linger long after you have heard them. Meet Sneha, the kind of poetess who puts feelings into the form of things we think but don't always say.
Sneha, it's truly a joy to have you open this season with us. So without any further ado, let's begin this heartfelt conversation and step into her world of thoughts, rhythm and quiet power. For those who may not know you, how would you explain Treasury Trove in one line?
So, as a Treasury Trove is basically my Instagram username, and for me it was always a digital diary. So, Treasury Trove itself means collection of treasure. So, in one line, it is collection of poetries, words, rhymes, art, and love. And that is what in a line is Treasury Trove.
You were the topper. You have ranked first in the academic year 2018-2019. How did your academic journey shape your growth as a person?
As you mentioned that I was always a topper, and hence I was very studious and very competitive, and my mom was a tuition teacher as well. So she wanted me to always be amongst the rankers. So during my school days I was always amongst the rankers but never the topper. So during graduating, being a topper was like a long awaited dream come true. And to this, the question that you asked, I would just like to say that मंजिल मिलने में कभी कभी देर हो जाती है, मेहनत करते रहना एक दिन मेहनत रंग लाती है. And with poetry, I believe that poetry has chose me always. I never chose poetry. So the one thing that has shaped me as a person is hard work plus prayers is equals to success. So that is what has brought me where I am today.
You have shared your poetry at platforms like IIIT Sonipat and Awaken Words. How did it feel speaking your thoughts and verses there?
It feels grateful and it feels blessed. I'm into campus engagement with Accenture. So I get chance to meet people, youngsters, and to give them leadership talks. So at IIIT Sonipat, after my leadership session, I had few minutes. So I told them, would you like to listen to something? And they were very excited, very cheerful. And I got a very good response. I remember two lines, which was never quit, grow, never quit, keep going and grow, for life will give you all the surprises you never know. And life has given me all the surprises till date. With Awaken Words, I had performed as a performer in open mic. I've done a curated show, I've done a lineup show. And the love which you receive from audience, from students, I just feel so content, happy and blessed.
Among all of your performances and writing milestones, which moment felt the most special to you so far?
So far, in this month, basically in the month of July, I did a lineup show with Awaken Words only. That was my first ticketed show. So on a poetry day, I wrote कि एक दिन मेरे पापा की भी इस रिश्ते के लिए हाँ होगी with poetry, because in poetry you don't earn money, you have to pay instead to perform. So I wrote that एक दिन मेरे पापा की भी इस रिश्ते के लिए हाँ होगी जब टिकटें बिकेगी और मेरे शायरियों पे वाहवा होगी. And it was like a dream come true when the tickets were there on Book My Show, people booked it, and it was a room full of people. So it was like a dream come true for me.
That's so good to hear. Your poems blend in Hindi and English so effortlessly. How do you decide which language your poem flows in the best?
So I never consciously make a decision. About a particular language. It's just like the words. If I'm feeling something, the words just keep on flowing, and the lines start running through my head, and it's there. I just take the lead wherever it leads me. Basically, I can actually write about this conversation as well, and it could be like, पता नहीं इस रास्ते पे कभी मेरा मुड़ना होगा, इस तरह तुम्हारा और मेरा जुड़ना होगा, लिखा होगा खुदा ने ये किस्सा किताबों में, यूं ही नहीं मिलना होता वरना हमारा सवाल और जवाबों में. So yes, I could just write anything on paper, whatever I feel. So I just don't choose consciously on a particular language.
Moving on to rapid fire, a poem which you wrote
I think I've always wrote whatever I felt, so there's nothing that I wish to write at
Morning writing or late night writing?
late night writing. There's peace at night, so late night writing.
Instagram poetry reels or stage performances?
Stage performances. The stage is always my best friend. So stage performances.
One line that defines you today.
मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है.
That's so peaceful. One message you would like to give to the youth?
So people say that actions speak louder than words, but I believe that words touch deeper your soul than action. So keep writing, don't fear the world. And I would just like to end it by saying that जिंदगी में हम हारते नहीं बस सीखते हैं, हर पन्ने पे अपनी कहानी खुद लिखते हैं. कांटों का हो सफ़र, फूलों के बगियों से मुलाकात होगी, बस आगे चलते रहना तुम, एक दिन जीत तुम्हारे साथ होगी. This is what I think.
Thank you, Sneha. It was really great having you here. Like, share, and subscribe, and follow.
So you can follow Treasury Truff on Instagram. I also post my poems on sneharhymes.art, so you can check there. It was great to be back here as well, and do follow whoever is watching this video. Do follow Shades of Innovation. You'll get to know about a lot many other personalities as well. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.